Today I'm doing an update because I have some news to share with you all, and this is going to be an update of what's going on with my channel. You all know from 2020 that a lot of things has happened. We have changed quite a bit since then, and our selling journey has changed as well. So this is going to be a little bit of a long video, but this is what is happening. So we started selling in 2014, and when we first started, it was the wild, wild west of Amazon FBA. We found ourselves lucky with retail arbitrage, and also our first private label product was able to kind of take off. We took a break while I had a couple kids in between, and then 2020 happened, and we found ourselves with a new business model called Replen, which is replenishable. It's just any products that you can sell over and over again, where you can find in retail store. And I have been so incredibly grateful that since 2020 we have been able to work on our business full time. But I found that we were growing very fast and we kind of stretched ourselves too thin. On top of just having a newborn, I was working many hours on top of my husband working on the business at the warehouse. We had grown our business to a point where we felt it was uncomfortable and we weren't spending enough time with the kids. We constantly had our business in our mind, even when we were with them, even when we were on vacation. Around the same time, we also had a Facebook group called the Women Sellers of Amazon FBA that was also growing really, really fast. During the same time, people were coming to me asking if I can help them find products. And I was at that time and completely honored that people were asking me to do this for them. So I started a service where I would find new products. These are all just online products, which is called Amy's Pods right now. It is a group who come together so that we can source products, and so it is a subscription. So if you want to renew it, it's month to month. And this worked really well until I started to again grow really fast, and I felt this pressure again to deliver the service, the products, and I found myself working all the time. So I had to hire some people to help me. So at some point we had over 35 different virtual assistants helping me with finding and sourcing products so that we can meet the demand. And I found myself always trying to do more and please more people. And I felt that this was the way to grow. I started to do more things and to scale and to make more money. And I felt that something was going to give. This is future Amy recording, and I just realized that there's nothing wrong with scaling and doing more things as long as you have a system and things are on autopilot. So we actually started creating more income revenue streams, and we were able to do that by outsourcing, and we are so grateful that we have a team that's helping us. But the time that I was doing this, and I didn't realize that I was doing all of this at the same time, which is not a good idea at all. So once you have one thing going for you already and it's on autopilot, then you can scale and go on to the next project, which is what we're doing right now, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. And so of course we couldn't handle everything ourselves, so we had to scale back the Amazon FBA business. So as you all know, we are doing now a lot more things with Amazon on top of Amazon FBA. We are doing Amazon influencing, which I'll talk about in a little bit, and it's something that we're really excited about. On top of writing our own book, I'm doing children's books now. One of the things that I had to realize was that I couldn't do everything, and I have to prioritize what is enough for me and how was I going to make it work so that I'm still enjoying what I'm doing and finding myself and being true and living into my intentions. And I wanted to have this integrity toward all of the people who were coming to me and looking up to me, which I think is so crazy that some of you guys are messaging me and saying that, Amy, you are my role model. So I wanted to continue being a good role model and providing all the information and the things that I learned along the way, so that everything that I deliver to you will be the best information so that you can grow your business or do whatever you want to do. Like, you don't have to do FBA. Maybe you just want to listen to me so that you have a little motivation. Some people just want to listen to me talk, and I was just like, okay, I can give you a little motivation to see where you can find your own path. I just think that there are so many things in life than just money, and I think we were chasing that dream. And I want to tell you that once you have accomplished and you get there, you find yourself, that's not what you want to do. And so I think I'm at a point where I need to figure out what my values are, and I found that I'm getting closer and closer each day. I'm not going to say that I found the answer, my purpose. What is it? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out. But I think having a lot of this time to reflect, and I want to thank you for giving me the time to take a step back and realize what is the best way for me to use my time to give you the most information and be impactful in this community. Last year, we started doing a lot of traveling to do in-person trainings, and I found that meeting a lot of people, every one of you all, you're a person behind the name, and meeting you in person, I felt this connection, and again, this responsibility to do even more but do better this time. Actually, I found myself that sometimes you need to do less but better. So in the last year, I've done a lot of reflecting. I've read a lot of books, and I found that I actually really like to do pharmacy. If you all have been following me, then you would know that I started out with this channel with doing a lot of pharmacy related material because I am a pharmacist by trade, and I wanted to share a lot of details about pharmacy school, how I work as a retail pharmacist. So I went back, and now I'm working, just very, very part-time, but I enjoy my patients and I enjoy working on the business. I think I found out that I like variety, and I can't just do one thing, which is actually a good thing because we don't have to rely on just one source of income. And it has made me realize I am at peace with what we have right now, what we have built for our family, the business that we have built for the community. And there are going to be a lot more lessons and things that I'm going to learn that I'm going to share with you. One of it being that in the next few weeks or so, we are going to start live streaming a lot of products that is given to us from private label sellers so that we can help them build up their business with reviews and launching and ranking so that they have a boost in the beginning. So if you are private label sellers and you want us to showcase your products in our Amazon influencer page, please reach out to me because I would love to help you in that aspect. If you are an Amazon KDP author, we also will showcase your book as well. And we will show you our children's book, which I have been working on. So I'm so excited about that because this is going to be an additional income stream for us, and this is going to be a new journey for us. So please follow along if this is something that you're interested in. So moving forward, of course, I will still try to show up for you, but it won't be just solely Amazon FBA. There will be a lot more Amazon related, such as influencer and KDP, and maybe there will be more. I don't know. But I want to be very genuine, authentic. I just want to be able to show up and give you the most impactful information as I possibly can so that you can use that to change your life, because I know that it's very possible if you put your mind to it. And also, if you realize what you want to do with your life, that's also the first step, because everyone's journey is different. If you take a piece of mine and implement it into your life and it works for you, great. If it doesn't, find your own path, because everyone's is going to be different. So I hope that I will be able to be a part of your journey as well. So if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. I also will be coming at you in a couple of weeks with the first live stream with everyone's products. So stay tuned for that. And with that being said, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye.